Hey, what's up, Maniacs? John here with Maniacs Garage, and I'm gonna bring you guys another video on the Tacoma today. This is gonna be a headlight light bulb upgrade. This video is sponsored by Auxito LED lights. They offer hundreds of applications, so make sure to check them out by going to the link in the description. And while you're at it, you're gonna get 15% off. So let's get into this. The kit that I got includes the low beam, the high beam, the fog light or driving light, and the reverse lights. Packaging looks nice. Looks like you get the bulb with the little module that comes with it for the LED setup. The plug should just be a plug and play, so that's kind of nice. This should be a really easy install, so I'm just gonna get rolling on it real quick. In fact, I'm doing it out of my house because I think it's gonna be that easy. I don't even think you're gonna need any tools for this. You don't even need to move anything out of the way. Driver's side, you have the battery right here, but there's plenty of space. Passenger side, looks like maybe it's a windshield washer fluid reservoir, but there's enough space to get to the bulbs there. Fog lights on mine, it's gonna be easier because I already had to trim the fender liner on it when I lifted the truck, so you can actually get to it super easy there. And I don't know, we'll see what the taillights need. They might need some tools. All right, so I'm gonna get started on the headlights right now. So you just gotta turn it counterclockwise. Boom. That's the low beam driver side. You squeeze the connector or the clips on the connector, and boom, your stock light bulbs are out. But don't touch these with your hands, they're halogens. You may wanna use them in the future, so I'm just gonna put these back into the boxes that the Auxitos come in. And I'm gonna do this real time for you guys so you see how quick and easy this is. So we got the new light bulb here. It's got a built-in fan for cooling. Got this little module here for the LED. I think that's so that the resistance is proper when you change it and the truck doesn't think that you have a burnt out bulb. There's only one way to pop this little ears in, but the kit does come with a little Allen wrench because supposedly you can adjust the direction of this bulb. It's important that when you put it in, it stays vertical like this so that the beam that it throws, it goes the right way. So I'm gonna check and see where this thing points once it's clicked in, and then might need to adjust it. So let's check it out. Gonna actually not need to be adjusted at all. I think that's ready to go in. Make sure you find the slots. It only fits in one way, and it's gonna turn counterclockwise to tighten. And we're gonna plug it back in. I did hear that this can actually plug in either way, and if the light doesn't come on, you just gotta switch it around the other way, so it's not gonna hurt the bulbs or the truck. But I think that there's a little tab here, and if you line that up with the clip side of this plug, the factory plug, I think that probably should be the correct way. I am gonna zip tie this so they're not dangling around. It is a little longer than the factory setup. I'm a little curious to see what this looks like. I'm just gonna try it. Oh yeah, I definitely see a huge difference. I don't know if you guys can tell on the camera, but check this out. I'm sure you can see the difference there. So driver's side is on the left there, replaced. Passenger side still the original one. Look at the difference. Oh, I'm gonna like these. I'm gonna like these a lot. Dude, check out the difference on these. Oh wow. All right, it's time to do the high beam. Turn it counterclockwise. Pull out, and I need my other hand. So remember how I mentioned that the bulb has to sit this way, vertically. It can't sit like this in the headlight housing because it will throw a weird pattern on the road. So they send you this Allen wrench with it. There is a little screw right there that you need to loosen, and then you can turn and clock this bulb so that when it's clipped into the housing, it's gonna sit correct. Like, this is how it wants to sit right now. So I'm gonna have to do some adjusting on that. Okay, so that took a minute, but check this out. So yeah, all you have to do is loosen that little screw right there with the Allen wrench that's provided. Adjust this ring to the position that it's gonna be in once you click it in. So it goes in, you turn it clockwise, and then that's the final position right there. So I just match this up. You can see in through the headlight and you can match that up. So super easy. I have now both the low beam and the high beam done on the driver's side. So I just gotta move over to the passenger side and we'll be done with headlights. All right, I'm ready for the driving lights. All right, so you actually have to unplug it first in order to be able to turn it to pull it out. And we're replacing it with those. So the little tabs look like they actually match. So this one should be ready to go in. Check out the difference. I mean, it's pretty incredible. I am so stoked with these. Well guys, as it turns out, the reverse lights did not fit. It was the wrong application. So I'm gonna have them send me another set for that and we'll pop those in. I gotta tell you guys, these LED replacements are incredible. I mean, just look at these headlights. So now they actually are what they really should have been from the factory. Honestly, I didn't realize how bad these stock headlights were until I installed these Auxito LED light bulbs. So with that, I'm gonna wrap it up. Make sure you guys check it out in the description below. I'm gonna put in the website for Auxito and you guys can get a discount by clicking on that. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next one.